This question appears right at the end of foundation or the beginning of higher, and it's all about the area of a sector. Just before we go into the question, how to differentiate between sectors and segments, this is what I do. A sector has got a C in it, which means it has to be cut from the centre of the circle. Whereas a segment, I remember M for music because a guitar has a sound hole and it's got the strings going across. Mathematically, a segment is where you have a section of the circle, a segment of the circle, and the line has to touch from one side of the circumference to the other. But for me, the hack is thinking segment, music, guitar, strings, sound hole. To get into the question, what we've got to do, we've got this sector of the circle. It's got a radius of 8. We've got a triangle inside it, and we have to work out the area of the shaded segment here, giving our answer to 3 significant figures. I'm going to start by working out the area of the whole circle, because this sector here has been cut from a whole circle. So to find the area of a circle, we do pi r squared. So we type into our calculator pi times 8 squared, and we get the answer 201.0619298 centimetres squared. So that's the area of our whole circle. But we don't want the area of the whole circle. We only want the area of the sector. And if we look down here, the sector is this section here, which we can see is a quarter of the whole circle. So all we need to do now is to divide this answer, the whole area of the circle, by 4. We do that, we get the answer 50.26548246 centimetres squared. And that is the area of just the sector. So we can look over here and we've got the whole area of this now. So our next step is to work out the area of the triangle, and then when we've got that, we can subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the whole sector. The area of a triangle is half base times height, or I actually like to do base times height divided by 2. That's my preferred method. Now, we can see the triangle more clearly if we rotate this. So we've got to do 8, we've got the base of 8 times by the height of 8 divided by 2. Now, 8 times 8 is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32 centimetres squared. So we've now got the area of the triangle. Our final job is to take the area of the triangle away from the area of the whole sector, and then we'll just be left with the shaded section. So if we type our 50.26548246 minus 32 into our calculator, we come out with this number, 18.26548246. We've got to round it to 3 significant figures. So first, second, third, we chop and then we check. That 6 is higher than a 5. 5 or more we round up, so we have to round up the 2 to a 3. So our final answer is 18.3 centimetres squared.